YouTube! It's KJ 4 times in this thing, you feel me? How y'all boys doing? It's 7 a.m., you feel me? I'm just gonna take this nice little morning one for y'all. I know I ain't uploaded in the last few days, I've just been chilling. I've been forgetting to record, there's been a lot going on. And now we about to have a hurricane in Florida. So, yeah, it's that whole thing going on right now. But I thought I'd just go ahead and give y'all a little morning little ride with me. I'm finna go to work. So I think I'll give y'all just a little morning, little 7 a.m. little ride. See a little POV, feel me? I see y'all boys liked the last one, so I was like, let me hop back on it. Maybe this is actually good. I mean, shit, this is gonna be the second video, so we gonna see. It look kind of a little dark out here, but I'm pretty sure y'all can still see this thing pretty good. But 12 is hot. And then they in Publix buying up all the water and the paper goods, like all the paper plates, all paper towels. I was just watching the news earlier. Oh my God, they buying all that stuff up. It's crazy. Hey, we should be all right, but I don't know, because they saying it's gonna be a Cat 5, so everybody kind of worried. I ain't really too much worried about it, because if it do come down to a point, I'll slide out of here. I will not sit here. If it get too bad, I am not sitting here. They got that. They can have that. I'll be like, Florida, you can have it. I'll be back. I like the weather. Don't get me wrong, but hurricane season, some hurricanes ain't really like nothing to really stress about for real. But then others, they are like, especially a Cat 5. That's something to really worry about. That's a high rated one. For real, speeds. They saying speeds of 160 mile per hour winds. I was like, oh no. I don't know about that one, but about to see. But y'all know what to do. If you liking the video so far right now, like it up, comment, subscribe. And, I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want. Y'all give me what I want. And we're gonna keep this whole thing going. You feel me? But I ain't gonna bore y'all head. I ain't gonna talk your head off. I'm gonna just let y'all enjoy the drive. You feel me? I'm gonna put a little music on this part.
Money, I got an obsession. If trap is a sport, then it'll be my profession. To tell you the truth, I don't got no confessions. I don't know why lately I feel aggression. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I keep taking L's, then I lost their lessons. And it's stupid, not ruin my session. I'm still getting money during a recession. I don't try, but somehow I be flexing, and that's probably why you're bitching on section. You can come outside without protection. You still less if you end up in second. Pussy good got me coming in second. They all throwing shots, but out in my direction. Heard you moving wrong, then we making corrections. Why we texting? I know you want some affection. I told God I need something better than blessing. Owning my gifts, time to open the present. No credit, all cash, straight president. Said she wanna fuck, tell her meet me at my residence. Decided to be dumb, getting rid of evidence. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I've been taking L's and I lost they lessons. Digging to money, I got an obsession. If trap is a sport, then it'll be my profession. To tell you the truth, I don't got no confessions. I don't know why lately I feel aggression. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I keep taking L's, then I lost they lessons. Not lost they lessons. Cause don't be scamming it only work if your bank account checkers. Once you get a certain level of knowledge, just try to use your mind as a weapon. And I don't wanna take my daughter to the doctor, they try and give her shots and injections. Go ahead, go to just shot, get rejected. Heard you challenge me, well I accept it. You kept on dragging the whole situation, I told you that you should've left it. And my flow so sick, if you listen to this, that means you probably infected. Hit me for the drugs, you know I'm connected. He ain't riding well, you just expected. Kill my brother, but he'll be resurrected. She say she in love, I guess that's what the sex did. Hit my phone, right away we be sexting. And my brother crossed me, yeah, that was unexpected. Bitch, stop asking me questions. Taking L's, then I lost they lessons. Ready to see Brown, I got so many questions. And I know I'ma get what I'm destined. I swore this nigga was savage before he got hit with the Weston. Before this shit show me affection. You be failing, you ain't learn your lesson. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I've been taking L's and I lost they lessons. Digging to money, I got an obsession. If trap is a sport, then it'll be my profession. Tell you the truth, I don't got no confessions. I don't know why lately I feel aggression. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for blessings. I keep taking L's, then I lost they lessons.
This light might not take too long though, because it don't usually take that long. Oh, it's time for the thumbnail. Hold on. Let me get y'all boys a thumbnail. Okay, got it. Yeah. Come on, light. Turn green. Oh yeah, now we can cut out. I see it's a little bit clearer. I could probably get out there now. Put this bit in sport, and we finna hit sport. Oh yeah, we gone, out west. We out that thing. This video ain't gonna be as long as the last one. I'm just doing a little POV because honestly, you know, I ain't on the highway. Well, it's technically considered like a highway, but it's not really no highway in my opinion. But technically not on there. And then we got all this traffic and stuff. This is just a whole thing in itself. As you can see, stop and go. It's a red light, traffic backed up. Yeah, another thing, everybody trying to get out of Florida too. Like they ain't trying to even sit here. They trying to get out of here, especially like Tampa. I feel bad for whoever's in Tampa. If you're in Tampa, let me know in the comments. Tampa, I think, and what is it? There's some other places too. Whatever the Tampa and the surrounding areas, y'all gonna get it bad. So it's just like I feel bad for y'all. Pray for y'all, and hopefully we all make it through this little hurricane, and we all be safe and everything. But that's all we can do is hope for the best for real. No need to stress the rest. Hold on, I'm gonna cut y'all off until I have to get off the light. I ain't gonna lie, I think it's gonna take a little minute. All right, we about to go underneath the underpass. Y'all already know it's gonna go on underneath that. I'm gonna try and get y'all a little clip running underneath that if I can. Hopefully I can. It's like a little underpass. It ain't too bad. Hold on. See, can I get a nice clip? Put the car in sport. Get a nice good one. There we go. That bit was good. Yep. That was it right there. Woke everybody up. Time to be up. Up early. Yes, Lord. Uh-oh. Bus finna stop. We finna be in stop traffic. Oh. Moved over to the side. We good. Just waiting at the light. This is gonna take a minute. I'm gonna catch y'all boys on after this. Alright, y'all boys. This might be the end of the video. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm about to be, at work. So, if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.